Hey there, Juxtello iTech family. Jojo here, back with another helpful guide. Today, I've got some important news for all you future teachers out there. The management of the National Teaching Council, NTC, has just released the results of the 2024 Teacher Licensure exams, GTLE 1 and 2. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to check your results online. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the NTC exams result portal. You can find it at exams.ntc.gov.gh. Once you're there, you'll see a check result tab. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to enter the serial number and PIN from the voucher payment receipt you received at the bank during the registration process. Just type those in and click Login. But what if you can't remember your serial number or PIN? Don't panic. There's an easy fix for that. Just click on the link that says click here on the login page. This will take you to the recovery page where you can log in with either your email and phone number or your exam ID and phone number. On the recovery page, enter your email address and phone number or your exam ID and phone number, then click Submit. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your details and your exam results. To print your results, just click on the Print button. It's that simple. Alternatively, you can also get your results at the colleges of education where you took the exam. And remember, if you didn't pass, you can join the next batch to retake the exam. You'll only need to resit the courses you didn't pass. Now, let's talk about something very important. Can you change your result from fail to pass? The short answer is no. Some people might approach you, claiming they can change your results for a fee. These individuals are scammers. According to the Director General at NTC, not even his deputy has access to the portal to change results. The only way to change your result from fail to pass is to resit the exam. Beware of scams? While this is exciting news for many, it's also attracting scammers who want to trick people into paying for fake services to change their results. Scammers are contacting exam candidates, claiming they can upgrade results for a fee. They often use social media, WhatsApp, and phone calls, pretending to be NTC officials or insiders. So, what should the NTC do about this? 1. First, the NTC should regularly share clear information about how to check results through official channels like their website and social media. 2. Second, the NTC should run campaigns to educate people about these scams, using posts, videos, and infographics to explain how to avoid being tricked. 3. And lastly, the NTC must work with the police to find and punish scammers. Making examples of these criminals can help deter others. So, stay vigilant and avoid falling for these scams. Focus on preparing for your resit if needed. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Juxtello iTech for more useful tips and tutorials. Good luck, and see you in the next video.